The last contestant of the night, you guys, is Majesty Illusion. Majesty Illusion, what would you be performing for us tonight?
So I'm doing Aaliyah Rock the Boat.
Okay. So you're giving us some Aaliyah Rock the Boat. And baby, you better rock that motherfucking boat and don't fuck it up. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. All right, motherfucking Majesty illusion. Okay. We're gonna start with the lovely motherfucking Renz.
Naima, stop. Naima, mute yourself. We got to go. So, oh Jesus. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Listen. Majesty illusion. Um, I, I came with expectations with this. I would have preferred you do another number that better suits your character and what you bring. I don't think that this was one of your best moments. I love the way that you brought the Caribbean style because you know how to wind them hips. I just said, look, I know she's gonna do that. She's gonna wind them hips, but I would have preferred you to do more of a number that would have broadened the illusion that you've been bringing all season. But it's okay because you know every contestant has good days and bad days or whatever. But I just would have preferred you to do another number this evening. But kudos to you for your creativity.
Period. And the lovely Papa Bear.
So, listen, I have loved everything that you've been really doing. Tonight was not the best performance for you. Like, it wasn't. Even though I love Baby Girl, and actually your choreography was on point, but it just wasn't you. It wasn't what I was looking for you. But it wasn't like horrible, like trash. Like I wouldn't definitely score you horribly, but performance, especially with the impact and the creativity you had the entire show. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure you're still in the thick of it. I know you are. So.
And to the shady Naima.
It's shady.
She said, Renz, I told you to stop hanging with her back in the day. Didn't I tell you that? I told you to stop hanging with this bitch. I told you. Stop hanging with Naima because she gonna get you in trouble.
Why you wanna call me?
Breathe.
I'm turning my phone off because okay. Let me get myself together. Okay. I love Aaliyah, and it was definitely stop texting my phone. You have been bringing it every night, but I don't know what happened tonight. The song I liked that you gave her look. I don't know. But it's not like you still brought the throwback look. You still like brought it, but I'm turning this phone on. But I don't know, Puddin'. It wasn't everything that you brought all the way up to this point. I would have thought that you would have like maybe somebody else, like because even with like the Spanish number you did last night, that you turned that.
with the doll, you turned it. Everything that you have done, you have turned it. Like, oh, it was good, but it was just like I would have wanted you to see you do somebody else tonight. But everything's been perfect all the way up till tonight. Like, your score is still gonna be high for me tonight, but it was just like if she would have did somebody else, I think she could have pulled this off more. You know, like the other, what's the other Spanish girl named that sung with Jennifer Lopez? What's the other one? Shakira?
Yeah.
Shakira.
Yeah.
Shakira. If you would have did somebody like her, yeah. Yeah.
All right. And the judges have spoken. Thank you, Majesty Illusion.